Welcome to the video that answers the question, what is the 8th grade computational fluency screener? The 8th grade computational fluency screener is a diagnostic assessment that is tied to several previous grade levels' prerequisite TEKS for computation. Since this assessment is given to every 8th grade math student at the beginning of the school year, it tests 7th grade computation skills and below, skills that students entering grade 8 should have mastered. This paper-pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at once. It is important to note that there is no time limit for the computational fluency screener. If a particular student takes much longer than other students, then that rate of speed is worth noting. But don't cut a student off if they are still productively engaging with the assessment. On the other hand, don't allow a student to sit frustrated for a lengthy amount of time, unable to answer any items. Use your professional judgment. The 8th grade computational fluency screener was built with the effects of multiple grade levels worth of instruction and practice in computation in mind. The map on the right-hand side of the screen denotes how 3rd grade TEKS at the bottom lead to 4th grade TEKS in yellow, which lead to green 5th grade TEKS, and they in turn lead to both 6th and 7th grade TEKS. Therefore, the computational fluency screener for 8th grade tests multiple grade levels worth of TEKS, as you saw on the previous screen. The 8th grade computational fluency screener is 40 questions long and consists entirely of free response items. The assessment is linked on the Math Personalized Learning site in its entirety for you to print, copy, and staple for your classes. This paper-pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at the same time. If a student needs more room to write than is provided, it is acceptable for scratch paper to be utilized. A key that denotes the various grade level math TEKS to which each question aligns is provided on the Math Personalized Learning site through the link to the test itself. Note that the key not only contains TEKS alignments, but also breaks down which part of the TEKS is tested, such as multiplying a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number for item 19. There will be an updated key each school year in DMAT.